Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Creston, British Columbia. This town is located in the southeastern part of the province in the scenic Kootenay region. It sits in the Creston Valley between the Purcell and Selkirk mountain ranges, not far from the United States border. The Kootenay River flows nearby, and the area is known for its rich farmland, mild climate, and beautiful views. Creston began to grow in the early 1900s when the railway came through the valley. The fertile valley was ideal for farming, and Creston became known for its fruit orchards, grain fields, and later dairy and wine production. Today, Creston is home to several thousand people. It has schools, parks, shops, and services for both locals and visitors. The town is also known for the Creston Valley Wildlife Management Area, which is a large wetland that attracts many birds and animals. With its natural beauty and strong farming roots, Creston is a special part of southern British Columbia. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Creston, British Columbia.